What if I told you that right now, car companies are building vehicles with NASA space technology, flying drone headlights, color-changing paint, and cars that can literally move sideways like a lizard? Today we're counting down the top 10 most insane cars of the future. Concept cars so advanced, they make Teslas look like toys. And number 1, it's not from a movie. It's real. Let's go. Renault Trésor, the reverse convertible. Concept car. Most convertibles drop the roof down. The Renault Trésor does the opposite. The top slides forward like a reverse convertible. There are no doors, so you climb in like an old-school race car. The headrests recline as you sit down, and inside you get a red leather interior, a wooden dashboard, and a video game-style touchscreen. It's one of the most surreal-looking cars ever designed. Only one problem. It's barely faster than a Toyota Prius. But when it looks like this, does it really matter? Cadillac InnerSpace. The personal living room on wheels. Autonomous concept. Cadillac completely threw out the normal car design. After the roof and doors lift off, you're greeted by a panoramic flat-screen display showing everything around you. Forget windows, this car wants you locked into your own personal TV. And it gets more personal. The seats and monitors use biometric scanners to adjust the car's lighting, sound, and even smell based on you. They call it healing and meditation. I call it Skynet. Either way, it's terrifying and incredible at the same time. BMW GINA, the shape-shifting fabric car. Transformation tech. This is the only car in the world with a full fabric exterior. The body literally shape-shifts, sporty skirts push out from the bottom, and the headlights open up at the front like actual eyelids. The doors open and shut with zero visible lines. If you want to see the engine, the top of the car slides open like a mouth. BMW calls it geometry and functions in N adaptation. I call it a real-life transformer, and it arrived way before anyone expected. Audi Skysphere, the 3-in-1 autonomous SUV with AR goggles augmented reality. This isn't just one car, it's 3. Default mode is a sports SUV. Its 22-inch rims flip it into an off-roader. And it converts into a pickup truck. Fully electric, 10 minutes of charging gets you 190 miles. But the craziest feature? Augmented reality goggles. You put them on and your whole world gets a Tony Stark upgrade. No dashboard, no HUD in the windshield. Everything from navigation to music shows up right in front of you. And it's all controlled by hand gestures. You look like a clown waving your arms around, but you feel like Iron Man. Sony Vision-S. PlayStation on wheels. Entertainment tech. The world's largest video game company is now making cars. Sony's Vision-S has 40 sensors that can see in pitch black, cameras replacing all mirrors, and a navigation system that suggests lane changes like GTA. But the entertainment system is the real story. 360-degree sound turns the car into a moving concert. Screens cover the dashboard A and D, the seatbacks. And with 5G built in, those screens become mini PlayStations. Kids in the back will be playing Call of Duty while you're stuck in traffic. I was just happy with a 3DS as a kid. Hyperion XP-1, hydrogen-powered space rocket. 2,000 horsepower. This thing is literally built with NASA space technology. The XP-1 has an adjustable solar-powered airblade, an all-glass cockpit, and rocket ship alloys across the body. But the craziest part? There is no traditional engine. The power is built straight inside the wheels using axial flux motor technology. 0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds. Top speed of 220 mph. Up to 2,000 horsepower. That's the same as a Black Hawk helicopter, and on one tank of hydrogen, it can drive over 1,000 miles. You could drive the entire West Coast before refueling. BMW Vision Dee, color-changing chameleon car. E-ink technology. BM built the world's first car that can change color like a chameleon. Using e-ink technology, the same as a Kindle, the car has 32 separate sections including the rims. You can change every section to any color through your phone. That's 260 million possible combinations. Great for running from the cops. But they didn't stop there. The dashboard has a mixed reality slider that adds augmented realities and virtual worlds straight to your windshield. Want to drive through alien planets? Tap a sensor. Oh, and the car also has a digital soul that reads your emotions and changes color to match your mood. Terrifying. Incredible. Porsche Mission X. The self-filming hypercar. 200 plus mph hypercar. Porsche finally built their first true hypercar, and they made sure nobody could compete. The Mission X is designed to pay tribute to their legendary 911 race car, so you already know this thing flies. The doors open like wings. That rear wing extends and pushes it past 200 mph. Inside, the seats and pedals are adjusted specifically to your body. LEDs light up the spine of the seat while you race, and the car automatically creates its own highlight reel using 6 cameras placed inside and outside the car. If someone tries to cut you off, you have the footage. Not that you'd need it, because at this speed, nobody is catching up. #2. Audi Trail Flying Drone Headlights. Most insane feature ever. Everything about this off-roader is sick. The wraparound glass floor panel, the hammock back seats, the 4-point roller coaster seatbelts, the tires that expand or deflate based on terrain. But none of that is why it's at number 2. The headlights on this car have been completely replaced by 5 flying drones. Yes, flying drone flashlights that move ahead of the car, light up the road in front of you, and beam back live footage of obstacles before you even reach them. Audi basically said, "What if headlights could fly?" And then they built it. #1. Mercedes-Benz Vision After. The living car from another planet number 1. Most advanced car ever designed. Inspired by the movie Avatar, the one with the blue people, Mercedes built a car that is genuinely alive. The roof flows into the back seats, which flow into the dashboard. 33 bionic scale-like flaps on the back collect solar energy and move in multiple directions. It literally looks like the car is breathing. Each wheel motor works independently, so the car can move sideways up to 30 degrees like a lizard. To start it, you don't turn a key. You place your hand on the console and the car makes a biometric connection with your body. It even recognizes you by your breathing. The dashboard shows ouvres, magnetic fields, and the bioenergy of the surrounding environment in real time. This isn't a car. This is a living organism with wheels. And it exists right now, before GT6 even drops. Outro past 45 seconds. Subscribe Carwow Yahan. From a shape-shifting fabric BMW to a living, breathing Mercedes that recognizes you by your heartbeat, the future of cars is here and it's absolutely insane. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe. Because next week we're counting down the top 10 most expensive billionaire cars ever sold. You will not believe what number 1 costs. See you there.